Are you lacking in stability? You're doubtful, sometimes unsure where to go, what to do. Could it be that your basic trust has a board in front of you? It is like you can't see through it? Well, that you don't keep stumbling in the darkness. Let's do something for your self-confidence. It is also powerful for your relationships. However, it's not about the others today. It's all about you. For trusting your own abilities. Feeling safe and secure inside of you. And the beautiful thing is, you can learn to trust. Let's start. Feel in your feet. You can also look at them. You can start to wiggle your toes. How does that feel? Keep breathing calmly and stay focused in your feet. How does it feel in the sole of your feet? Do you have the same weight on the left and on the right feet? Are you stable? They don't run away. So give them your full attention. They are worth it. They have taken you so many steps and will continue doing it, but this time in a new way, with confidence, with trust. Now you know the feet are at the end of your legs. It's so easy. And if you're missing the floor under your feet again, feel into them. Feel the certainty of your existence, your confidence. Notice the positive effect of trusting. You know it all happens at exactly the right time. And if it's not yet good enough, if there are still doubts, then it's not the end. Keep trusting.